So we're going to try and solve this question. We've got 10 girls in a mixed class. So there's some boys, we don't know how many there are. And we're going to pick 2 people at random. We've got that the probability that we pick 2 girls is 0.15 or 15 out of 100. We want to know how many boys there are in this class, right? So this question is going to be a probability tree with 2 selections. And at each selection, we've either got a boy or a girl. Boy, girl. Now this is a type of situation where the second choice is impacted by the first choice. There are easier questions where the second choice isn't impacted. This one, you've got to think about it just a tiny bit. So the first thing we do know is we've got 10 girls in total and some number of boys. Now the total number of people in this class is the 10 girls plus the X boys. That's 10 plus X, 10 plus X. And after we've chosen a boy, we've dropped down X minus 1 over. Now we've dropped down from 10 plus X to 9 plus X. Now, to be honest, these options that I'm filling in now are effectively irrelevant, but I'm just going to fill them in anyway, just in case you want to know how to figure out the other probabilities. So if we've taken a girl out of this class, we've still got X boys, and we've got 9 plus X there. Notice how the denominators are all 9 plus X, because we've just lost one child at this point. And then the one that we really are interested in is this one, girl, girl. So we've got 10 girls down to 9 girls over 9 plus X. Now, from here, I know that the probability of getting girl and a girl is 15 over 100. But I also know that it is the probability of this multiplied by this. So we can write that out as 10 over 10 plus X times by 9 over 9 plus X. Okay, so this looks like it's going to end up being a quadratic to solve. So on the right side, we've got 90 over 90 plus, we've got 10 times X and 9 times X. That's going to be 19X plus X squared. And on the right, we've got 15 over 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by both denominators. So we get 15 times all of that expression. Plus X squared. And that's equal to 9,000. And then I'm going to divide by the 15. Which gives me 600. And subtracting 600 off both sides, we're left with the quadratic x squared plus 19x minus 510 is equal to 0. Okay, so I need 2 numbers that multiply to get minus 510 and add to get 19. Now these two, I think, are going to be 34 and 34 and minus 15. They multiply to get minus 510 and add to get 19. So we've got x plus 34 and x minus 15 is equal to 0. So effectively, this is telling me that the number of boys in the class is either, so number of boys is either minus 34, which is ludicrous, or 15, which is the only viable solution. So we say there's 15 boys in the class with 25 people in total.